Our next step is going to be to play around with some of the views and double check the line settings that we need. When I double click on a view, I get the drawing view properties. I'm going to change the first view, the front view, and I'm going to actually make it the top view. So when I change the top view, the children views, the top and the right side view change as well. And this is better. I'm not going to need all three of these views. Most of our parts are going to be flat, so two views are going to work just fine for most of our views. Other options in the drawing view dialog include scale. We can use a custom scale for something like the orthographic scale view, but for our orthographic views, we want the scale to match what the scale is for the drawing. So we don't want to use a custom scale here in the drawing view for our orthographic views. We could add cross sections. The view state would be where we could add an exploded view. The display allows us to change the view style. And then we have a couple of other options. This being the parent view, we don't have any alignment, but the side view is aligned to the parent view. The next thing I want to do is add center lines to my views. I'm going to use the annotate ribbon and show model annotations. We're going to use show model annotations quite a bit. The show model annotations, if we jump all the way over to the last tab, is where we can turn on our center lines. These center lines look good, but if we click on one and drag it, we connect the lines and we can dimension both those holes with a single dimension. We also want to show a center line over here in the far right side view. And we really only need to show one. If we do show both, it's not going to make a mess, but really just one is all we need. I'm going to delete that top view. Just click on it and delete, and then drag. If you find it difficult to move a view, back on the layout ribbon, there's a lock view movement option. Or turn that off. Move this up. All right, no center lines in the isographic view, just in your orthographic views. Only need two views for something that's a uniform thickness, so we'll clean it up, get those center lines in, and move it in the right place.